Hi everyone, today I'm making Naurattan kebab masala. Perfect recipe for family dinners and events. Make it once and everyone will surely love it. Watch till the end so you don't miss any part. For kebab, take chicken boneless for 100 grams. In a chopper, add ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons, 1 egg, yogurt 2 tablespoons, onion half medium and green chilies 2, fresh mint and coriander leaves 2 tablespoons, cumin, zira powder 2 tablespoons, salt half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, chicken powder 1 teaspoon or cube, allspice powder half teaspoon, breadcrumbs 2 tablespoons. Make kebabs with help on only 2 spoons as they're very soft. Fry them from both sides until done. Don't overcook, let them be soft. Keep aside. In another pan, take oil half cup, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Add 2 tomatoes chopped. Chopped masala 2 tablespoons. Red chili powder half teaspoon. Cumin or zira powder 1 tablespoon. Tomato paste 3 tablespoons. Water half cup. Cover and cook for 5 minutes until tomatoes are soft. Mash them a bit until they look like this. Add cubes of half capsicum and 1 medium onion. Cream half cup. Mix well. Add kebab and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Serve hot with any bread or rice. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video. Comment your thoughts and suggestions. Thanks for watching.